Hello guys, welcome to JD Bots. Well, some of you have commented in my videos that you're not able to create the web app bot service. So I'm going to show you what could be the issue and how to solve that. So let's get started. I am in the Microsoft Azure portal and I'm creating a new resource which is web app bot. And I'm gonna select this resource and create it. Okay, let's just put some random names, sample bot. Okay, and select your subscription and resource group, location, pricing, tier, and let's use the EchoBot template and the app service plan. And let me close the application insight off. And after filling all these details correctly, you can see an error message shown over here. Resource provider Microsoft.BotService not registered for the subscription. So it doesn't allow us to create our web app bot. In some of the cases, this error message will not be shown upfront. It will only be shown after you click on create. When you click on create, here the error message will be shown that resource provider bot service not registered for the subscription. So let's see how to solve this issue. If at all you are seeing this message after clicking on create, then there are two ways to solve this. One is when you are seeing this message after clicking on create, you just close the tab and reopen it. And do the following process again, creating a resource web app bot, this is only when this error message is shown after clicking on create. This is the one way of resolution. The next time when you come back, it will get created. Okay, now the second way we will see. Now the error message is showing upfront over here under the subscription. So we'll go to home page, we'll click on subscriptions, we'll select the subscription, and in the list down below you see an option resource providers. Click on resource providers and you search for bot service over here. So as you can see, it is not registered. Okay, we click on it, we click on register. Well, it will take some time for it to get registered. We'll wait for some time. Okay, now you see a success message that it is registered, and let's go back to the resource and try to create the web app bot again. Now you see the error message is not shown under the subscription. Let me try creating the bot. Sample bot 1001. Let's select the resource group, pricing, tier, and location. Let's create the EchoBot and application state. Let's keep it off and create. Okay, we are good to go. The bot is getting created. So this is the process you can follow to register any service. Sometimes when you try to register the Q&A services, you'll see the similar error message where it is shown that search resource is not registered. In such case, you copy the resource which is throwing an error, go to the subscription resource providers, then you search for that resource and click on register. That's it. Thank you all.